We are pleased to show you the 2008 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.